In our previous chapter, we have created a volume discount plan with 2 quotas inside corresponding to our practical task. Now, all we need to do to finish this part of the practical task is to create a prepaid subscription for $9.99 a month. But first, before we create a subscription, let's talk about subscriptions in general and the different configurations they allow. A subscription is a tool in portabiling that allows charging customers on a recurring basis. A portabiling subscription is just like a Netflix subscription. You get a service for a fixed monthly fee. On our web interface, we can find subscriptions in service catalog subscriptions, or by typing subscriptions directly into our search field. Subscription can be assigned to different portabiling entities. For example, a subscription can be assigned to the customer entity. If it is assigned to customer, all the services provided with the subscription will be shared between accounts. Let's check how it is done on our web interface. Go to our test customer and finances, general info, subscriptions. Now we need to click add, choose our subscription. I have created a test subscription, YouTube test for this, and choose our starting date. Let's choose tomorrow's date and click save. There are more parameters here that we can set, but we are going to talk about them a little bit later. We can also assign our subscription to our account. I have a test account here as well. We go to finances, subscriptions, click add and choose our subscription, just like we did for the customer entity. Set the start date tomorrow and click save. Okay. We can also add subscriptions to our main and add-on products. If the subscription is assigned to the main product, it is mandatory for all accounts that are using this product. Okay, let's do this as well. Let's go to our main product first. YouTube test main. We go to charges, general info, and choose our subscription here. Let's choose the same one. And we can click save now. Don't forget that if we assign our subscription to the main product, it is going to be mandatory for all accounts using this product. Okay, so let's go to the other one. This is our add-on product. We go to general info in charges and choose subscription. YouTube test, the same subscription, click save, and it's done. Assigning a subscription to the customer makes it possible to charge a customer a monthly recurring fee independently from the accounts under this customer. There are quite a few parameters that we can set for subscriptions. We can set the name, the currency, activation mode, and different fees. Let's go back to our web interface, choose subscriptions, and create a new one. Let's name it YouTube test 2. We already have test, YouTube test, remember? And now we have 2 names here. Name, plainly, the name at the top is our internal name. Here we can add a specific hint as to why or for whom this subscription was created. For example, YouTube test 2 for ABC Telecom. It was a subscription tailored specifically for them. And we remove it from the name visible to end user. We don't want our customer to know, for example, that this is a specific subscription for them. We need to choose the currency. let's leave it as is, US dollars. And choose when subscription charges will be applied. Subscription charges can be applied before the customer uses the service. Subscription charges then would be applied in advance or after the customer has used the service corresponding to the subscription, or at the end of the billing period. Customer can be also charged progressively. It means that there will be charges corresponding to a partial fee during the entire billing period, but it's not widely used anymore. So for our example, let's choose at the end of the billing period. Then we need to choose our activation mode. Subscriptions can be activated on a specific date and time. If we do not choose anything at all, they'll be activated in the moment we assign them, or upon first usage of the account. For example, if a subscription corresponds to a SIM card, it will be activated upon the card's first usage. So here, let's choose at a given start date. Activation fee is a one-time charge. It's not a recurring fee like a monthly fee down here. The cancellation penalty can be a fixed amount, for example, $20 for early cancellation at any point before the 12 months are up. It can consist of the remaining subscription charges. For example, if we have a monthly fee of $10 and after 10 months, the customer decides to cancel the subscription. In this case, they would have to pay the remaining 2 months, $20 as well. Or we can also ask for the sum of discounts applied to be paid back to us. Okay, just saying, if you're not sticking to the conditions, if you're canceling early, we're gonna charge you the discounts that we've given you. There are more options, but we are not going to go that far into detail in this tutorial series.